Alright guys, I'm working on a 22 Grand Cherokee and I gotta change the rear wiper blade. Here's the rear wiper, the new one. What you do, pull out, you twist up, and it comes right out of the slot. And then you look how you took it off. You see those little nubs right there on the side? They go to the rear. You got your main point and then you got the two little nubs. They go to the rear. Now I'm going to put this back on one-handed. If I can do this one-handed, you guys can do this two-handed. So then I've kind of got it lined up where I want it. I start to slide it in the slot. See the bridge right there? The two little nubs go in the slot behind. The one bar goes in the front. Kind of push it in there. It starts to go into the slot. And then you start to pivot it and rotate down. Come on. There, you gotta push a little bit. You gotta rotate it. You gotta get on an angle, push it through a little bit, and then rotate it back in. And that's how you do it. Let's do it again one-handed. You flip it up. You don't do that because that'll break the glass. But again, I'm doing this one-handed. Here it is. Slide it on. Try to line up your pivot point. Push it in. Snap it back. There you go. Wiper blade changed. If you're looking for the original part number, 6850-5554 AA-01. And that is your body style, 2020 and above, 2020, 2021 and above, Grand Cherokee. Actually, it's 22 and above, so 22 to 25, that would be the rear wiper on how you change it out.